What's good, Toronto? Look around. This is supposed to be one of the richest cities, most world-class cities on the planet. Yet every single day, we're stepping over people sleeping on gates, pushing all their belongings in a shopping cart, or curled up in tent cities that keep popping up like weeds. The homeless crisis isn't just getting worse, it's in our face now.
Well, the numbers don't say it all, really. In the last, I believe, 3 years, since 2021, the number of homeless people was about 7,300, and now we've doubled that. So it's over 15,400 homeless people in downtown Toronto, in the city of Toronto, who are homeless.
Shelters are beyond capacity, wait lists for housing, years long, rent has become absolutely insane. Mental health and addiction services are crumbling, and the city keeps downloading the problem onto the province. The province points back at the city. Meanwhile, real people, thousands of them, are out fighting to survive in the cold.
The city's most recent street needs assessment, done nearly a year ago, estimated that more than 1,500 youth were experiencing homelessness on any given night. Covenant House expects these beds to be full within a matter of days.
Enough of the politicians, press conferences, and the sanitized reports. I want to hear it straight from the people living it. So right now, I'm heading down to Sherbourne and Dundas, ground zero for a lot of this, to talk to men and women on the street. No script, no filter, just real conversations about how they ended up here, what a day in their life actually looks like, and what they think is gonna happen this winter when the temperature drops. Stick with me. We're about to go talk to people that the city forgot.